patient experience is a journey that touches all of us at every point in our lives. We welcome a new addition to the family. We hurt ourselves. We unexpectedly get sick. Health industry players need to understand the varied and changing expectations of health consumers in order to build lifelong personal connections and tailored services that evolve with a patient on their journey. Unfortunately, many healthcare providers are simply not meeting the needs of patients, with 81% of patients currently unsatisfied with their healthcare experience. 73% of consumers have identified experience as being an important factor in purchasing decisions. If healthcare providers are to stay competitive, the patient experience must be a greater focus. With rising expectations, healthcare players must advance their patient experience efforts to capture critical feedback across the entire continuum of care. To inspire patient loyalty, healthcare organizations must do the following. Create a common patient language. A positive patient experience is one in which the end user trusts that the information and service received has their best interests at heart. Healthcare patients will have varying degrees of awareness regarding terminology and medical conditions. Developing a standard for a common language ensures that all patients can feel in full control and fully aware of the medical process. Integrate both patient and employee feedback data into strategic and tactical planning. The satisfaction of employees and patients are inextricably linked. For example, employers may work towards empowering their front office staff by creating a more positive workplace or increasing employee benefits. In turn, staff that are more satisfied at work will be more likely to deliver a warm welcome to incoming patients. With patient satisfaction so heavily influenced by face-to-face interaction, this can help craft a positive patient experience from the minute they arrive. It is important to anticipate and exceed patient needs, not simply match expectations. On arrival to your practice or hospital, the last thing your patients want to be greeted with is a long queue of people waiting to check in. As one of the first opportunities to deliver an incredible patient experience, establishing a self-check-in process not only establishes a good experience from the get-go, but goes a long way towards ensuring a healthy patient flow and preventing bottlenecks early in the patient journey. Adaptive Strategic helps organizations reinvent the patient experience by understanding and successfully integrating what patients value most into how care is provided. By exploring external trends affecting patient expectations, and leveraging patient and employee data and insight, we can help you shift established processes, technologies, and attitudes into a new, patient-centric direction.